Let's see how to turn iPad into drawing tablet for PC. In the first step, open Settings. After that, navigate to Wi-Fi and join the same network as the computer. After that, turn on Bluetooth. In the next step, open Settings. Next, select General and then tap on About. Next, write down the IP address. In the next step, get and install a third-party tool on your computer, then set up the linked app on the iPad. Next, run the applications on both devices. In the next step, open the tool on your computer, then choose the iPad from the detected devices. Later, approve the pairing. In the next step, launch your art application on the computer. After that, operate the iPad as a drawing pad. Now, modify the pressure settings if required. You are good to go.